Final video to fix mods not working in Baldur's Gate 3 after patch 7, because this issue stops your custom content from loading and breaks your game experience. Are you launching Baldur's Gate 3 and finding mods don't load, crash, or simply disappear after installing patch 7? This problem happens when patch updates overwrite mod files, change load orders, or break compatibility between mod managers and the game. Sometimes incorrect install paths or outdated mod loaders also trigger issues without warning. Many players search YouTube or social media for fixes, but most solutions feel long, confusing, and full of technical steps that are hard to follow. That only wastes time and adds frustration. On Rexist, I focus on simple and proven fixes, and today I will share a secret easy trick that restores your Baldur's Gate 3 mods fast. This trick works because it repairs mod links, updates compatibility settings, and ensures the game reads mod data correctly instead of changing random files. You do not need advanced modding knowledge, risky tools, or extra software. You just apply one smart method that works on most Windows systems and mod setups. After this, your Baldur's Gate 3 mods load properly again, custom content works smoothly, and patch 7 no longer breaks your configuration. Many viewers on Rexist already fix mod issues using this exact trick. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow easily, comment yes below, and I will upload it to help you fix